How to make money with Thrive Themes and Thrive Architect. First of all, what is Thrive Architect? Thrive Architect is a visual page builder that was built from the ground up for business and with a focus on conversions. It's a WordPress plugin that features instant drag and drop editing. Requires no design or coding skills, and most importantly, can help you to grow your business. Thrive refers to their software as click to edit. You simply click on anything you want to change to edit it instantly. Features to grow your business include testimonials, customizable buttons, countdown timers, and lead generation forms that integrate seamlessly with your email marketing service of choice. Thrive is built for WordPress, the foundation of more than 75 million sites worldwide. It comes bundled with 270 beautifully designed landing page templates which are 100% conversion based, no matter your product or service. It has an optimizer to do A/B testing. Thrive leads for advanced list building. You can use their huge selection of opt-in form templates or create your own from scratch. Thrive Quiz Builder helps you get laser-targeted opt-ins based on the responses of visitors. You can optimize headlines, integrate comments, display clever widgets, and so much more. So, what are some ways you can use Thrive Architect to make money online? You can create and sell an online course. Online courses are an amazing business model, and you can build a profitable online course in all kinds of niches: fitness and weight loss, cooking, web design, playing instruments, etc. Whatever your area of expertise, you can create a course and a membership structure. Many people like to learn on their own time in the comfort of their own home, rather than attending an in-person course. And, especially in our current uncertain world, online learning will just continue to grow. Thrive Architect has tools built in to easily build your membership site and to capture email leads. The Thrive Apprentice feature allows you to design pro-looking courses right in WordPress. Affiliate marketing. This is my personal favorite way to use Thrive Architect. Affiliate marketing involves selling other people's products. There are a number of affiliate programs out there, with Amazon and Clickbank being two of the biggest. You drive traffic to an offer, and you get a commission on everything you sell. The affiliate handles all of the customer service. It's a beautiful way to make money online, and continues to grow in popularity every year. And Thrive is an excellent choice for affiliate marketers because it offers you the flexibility to build a full-fledged site, or create individual landing pages for your offers. Grow an existing online business. If you already have a business, but you aren't making many sales, it could be due to your site design. Thrive can help you to build a beautiful site that is attractive to buyers. Again, with drag and drop simplicity, and no need to understand how to code, you can quickly redesign your site to focus on increasing sales. Create a successful online coaching business. Much like with an online course, if you're a coach or consultant, Thrive Architect will allow you to build an outstanding platform for meetings and bookings, whether online, by phone, or in person. Build and grow an agency to work with clients. Thrive Architect has excellent built-in tools and landing pages that are perfect for growing an agency. Less time worrying about site design and tech issues, leaves you with more time to scale. This is really just a glimpse into what can be done with Thrive Themes and Thrive Architect. There's so much more. If you think Thrive Architect can help you to grow your business and make more money online, use my link in the description box below to learn more. And make sure to subscribe and smash the like button for more videos like this.